So some of the new arrivals.
Okay, speaking of blue.
Blue, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, silver blue metallic over dark blue.
Beautiful.
53,180 actual miles. Numbers matching L75, 300 horsepower, 327, with the numbers matching Muncie M20, 4-speed manual. What a transmission that is. If it had a fifth.
M20.
It would have been the cat's meow. 336 posi axle, tons of new parts, and it comes with the hardtop. How cool is that?
Yes.
63s, people don't realize that there was split windows, and then there was actually really convertibles.
That's right.
So a lot of people don't realize that. And those people are dead to me. No.
Same front end, basically.
Same front end, just different rear.
That's right.
Different haunches.